Hey, so if your job applications on Glassdoor are not going through or you keep getting errors while applying, yeah, don't worry. This is usually easy to fix. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to solve it step by step. First thing, make sure your internet is stable. A weak connection can stop your application from submitting properly. Next, refresh the page and try again. So sometimes it's just a temporary glitch in the application system. All right, check your resume. I mean, if the file is too large or in the wrong format, like an unsupported file type, the upload can fail. Now double check all the form fields. Missing a required field or entering wrong information can block submission. If it still doesn't work, try clearing your browser cache or opening Glassdoor in incognito mode. So this removes stored data that might be causing errors. Next, turn off extensions like ad blockers. They can sometimes block application scripts or buttons from working. And yeah, if nothing works, switch to another browser or use the mobile app. I mean, this helps you check if the issue is device related. So that's how you fix Glassdoor application issues. One of these steps should get your job application working again.